ENIG stands for Electroless Nickel Immersion Gold. It's the most common surface finish for high reliability PCBs. Surface finishes are necessary to prevent copper oxidation over time and allow customers to solder components to the PCB. The ENIG process is very complex and requires careful control. It involves a series of chemical baths starting with an activator that cleans and prepares the copper for nickel deposition. Step 2 is the nickel bath, where nickel is plated onto exposed copper areas. Then comes the gold plating step, adding a thin and consistent layer of gold, less than 1 micron, to protect the nickel from oxidation. Afterwards, we rinse and dry the panels. This process ensures a reliable surface finish for soldering components to the PCB. NCAB has dedicated quality staff in the factory to oversee the ENIG line, ensuring it functions correctly and conducting tests for superior quality, particularly in solderability. We closely monitor nickel and gold thickness records and check all chemistry parameters. Given the complexity of the process, maintaining good SPC is crucial.